Hello, my lovely students, and I'm so happy to have you here again. This is the second week of the distance learning of Al Aqsa International School. So, welcome, my lovely students of Gr.2.1 class. Today, our lesson is in English, and we are going to talk about a lovely and an interesting subject. So, I want all of you to grab your readers and writers notebook and open these pages, which is 160 and 161 as usual, and write the date at the top of the page like that. So today is March 30, 2020. And the title of our story for today is Mountain Rescues. Mountain Rescues. Now, what is the meaning of rescues? Rescues here is saving someone. Saving someone. So we are going to talk about saving someone from the mountain. Here, how can we read this word? Do you remember the rule of the letter C? And what did we say about the vowels that are coming out or coming after that letter? Now, Islam, do you remember the song of vowels? What are vowels? Yeah, excellent. Good job. A, E, O, U, and I. Now, my lovely Bara, can you tell me how can I spell the letter C here after the vowel U? Excellent, excellent. Such a good job. So, teacher, I will pronounce the letter C here as Ka. Ka. Rescues. Rescues. Why? Because the U is coming after the C. And we said after the C, when these vowels A, U, O comes, that letter is going to say Ka. So mountain rescues. Now let's start and see what is the meaning of hiking. What is hiking? Now my lovely Maysoon and Ammar Jazem and Anas here, can I ask you what is the meaning of hiking? Yeah, excellent. Such a good, beautiful answer. Hiking means to walk for a long time or a long distance. So hiking is an outdoor activity. Outdoor activity. So what is the difference between outdoor and indoor? Now, these times we are sitting at our home. So we are making some activities. The activities that we are doing inside our home, we call it indoor activities. But when we go out our homes, for example, to walk beside a mountain or a park, we call it outdoor activity. So it's an outdoor activity which consists of walking in natural environments, often on hiking trails or paths. So, hiking is to walk for a long time outside homes, beside mountains or parks or jungles or forests for a long time. So, we should follow a trail or a path. What is the meaning of trail here? This word, path or road. So, while you are going for hiking, all of us should follow a trail. So, this is the trail, a way or path. And we should take special equipment for the road there. For example, we should wear a suitable boot that will make us feel comfortable, and let's walk and move for a long distance. For example, we have to take with us a lot of suitable clothes. For example, jackets, hats, and such these things. So for that, let's go there and watch a video which will tell us what are we supposed to take with us on a hike.
Balawa Safety World. Today's topic, hiking. No matter where your hiking route takes you, across scenic meadows or up steep slopes, good preparation is essential. When
So, good preparation is the most important thing. I should prepare everything before I go outside to hike. I should look what is the weather outside is looking like. Is it cold? Is it hot? I should take also the suitable things with me.
selecting
Like
your route, be sure it's one even the weakest member of your group can handle. And be sure to allow plenty of time. As far as equipment goes, sturdy and well-fitting shoes are vitally important, and so is breathable clothing that will not readily hold moisture and will help transfer perspiration to the outside.
So I should take with me the suitable boot and breathable clothes. What does that mean? I should take the suitable clothes with me. Things that cannot let me feel, for example, hot or very cold. It should be suitable for the weather of that day.
For quick
And here you should take with you also a backpack in which you should put everything inside it.
evaporation, your backpack should contain a first aid kit, hiking maps, a fully charged mobile phone, and a flare or whistle you can use to signal for help in case of an emergency. As a rule of thumb, carry as little as possible, but as much as you need. Energy bars don't take up much space, but when it comes to water, weight should not be an issue. Always check the weather forecast before setting out. No matter
So the first thing that you have to do is to check the weather. Is it cold or hot? To take with you the suitable clothes.
what kind of weather is expected, take along a raincoat, sun hat, and sunscreen. Weather conditions can change suddenly in the mountains. Before you hit the trail, make sure someone knows where you are going.
Before you hit the trail or before you go on the road on your trip, you should tell anybody in your family because maybe something wrong may or could happen to you there in that hike.
Did you know that nearly 30% of accidents and emergency situations in the mountains involve hikers? So always watch your step. It's best to stay on well-marked trails. Sometimes, paths that look enticing lead nowhere. In case of an emergency, act immediately to save lives. Call emergency.
So, in case of emergency, you should call the group of people that can help you in any kind of emergency. So, they will send for
Services.
you.
You have the number with you, of course, and follow their instructions.
So, they will send you a helicopter in which they will help you and take you there to the fastest or to the nearest hospital.
Never leave injured persons unattended. If you get caught in a storm, stay away from cliffs, trees, and metal. Instead of stretching out on the ground, it's better to sit on your backpack. Take it easy and arrive safely. After all, hiking is not a competition. Thanks for watching.
So, hiking is so funny. So, now let's go to our readers and writers notebook and read that small and beautiful story about hiking. So, mountain rescues. Hiking the wooded and rocky trails of mountains can be fun. Teacher, what is the meaning of wooded? Wooded is a way or a place that's full of wood of trees. The trees are made out of what? Out of wood. And rocky. What is the meaning of rocky? A place that is full of rocks. So, hiking in a place that's full of wood of trees or rocky trails of mountains can be fun. But it can also be dangerous. Why? Hikers may get lost. So why it's dangerous here? Because maybe the hikers here may get lost. My lovely students, I want you to pause or stop the video to give yourself a chance to repeat anything that I'm saying here, or even to read before I read the story here. So, hikers may get lost because they don't follow a trail or because it gets dark. So, why hiking is dangerous? Because the people may be lost. How or why? Maybe they will not follow the map or the trail, or maybe the time will be dark, night will come, and they can't see the trail. The trail is the road. Sometimes hikers, now here, Muhammad Rifai, who are hikers, honey? Hikers are the people who are making the hiking. So, did you get it now? Did you get it? Excellent, excellent. So sometimes hikers can't see the trail because the weather suddenly turns foggy. What is the meaning of foggy, teacher? Foggy means when the weather is full of clouds. Clouds. The clouds, it's full in the place everywhere. I cannot see the road. So let's go here and see. It's important that hikers, Ahmed Iyad, do you remember now what is the meaning of hikers? Yes, the people who are making the hiking. Excellent. Hikers check what the weather will be like before they start. So if you want to be a hiker, the first thing to do is to check the weather. Is it going to be hot or cold? Hikers often get hurt or sick when the weather turns bad. Yes, that could happen. Imagine the hikers or the people who are making the hiking are wearing very light clothes and it's raining. What will happen for them? They will feel sick. They may slip on a trail. What is the meaning of slip here, Dima? Dima, excellent. Slip here means to fall down on the road or the trail because it becomes icy. When the road is icy, it's very easy for us to fall down. They could fall and break a bone. Oh dear. Maybe they can fall and they can break any bone in their body. Sometimes a hiker gets hurt when strong winds push him or her off a trail and onto rocks. Oh my dear. So, the hikers can be hurt by what? By the strong winds that can let them fall down on the floor or on the rocks. It's important that hikers be prepared for unexpected bad weather. So it's better for us as hikers to prepare ourselves because the weather is totally unexpected. I don't know if it is going to rain or to be windy or to be very cold. So I have to prepare myself. Let's continue. Hikers can get sick in cold and wet weather because they didn't wear the right clothing along with warm waterproof jackets. So they have to take with them waterproof jackets, the jackets of rain, and pants. Hikers should have hats, gloves, and boots. So do you remember the video at the beginning of the lesson? They should have with them the right or the suitable waterproof jacket and boots and gloves and hats. Let's continue and see what are we going to see or read in this story. Persons who are lost or hurt in the mountains need help. So let's bring it down quickly. Persons who are lost or hurt in the mountains need help, although it's dangerous work. Yeah, it's so dangerous thing to do outside. So you have to be with a big one of your family, like mom, dad, or your rest of family. Trained rescue workers go out to look for them. Now, I want you to close your eyes and imagine you were walking on a hiking road and suddenly you were lost. What are you going to do? Yes, excellent. You will call the emergency to help you. What they will do, they will send for you a helicopter with some people who are really trained to help you. Now, let's go there quickly and watch this video and see what are these very trained people are going to do when there is someone who is lost or maybe injured or hurt.
Any of these individual agencies would.
Now look what are they going to do. They will have with them an airlift like that in which they will put the patient or the person who got injured to take him to the helicopter. So let's see.
Handle search and rescue calls without their help.
So these
I'm Drew
people,
Hildner.
they should be trained very well. They should know everything about hiking and everything about saving the lives of people.
One of the leaders of the Rocky Mountain Rescue Group. I'm also the public information officer.
I'm one of 2 ranger operations supervisors for the City of Boulder Open Space and Mountain Parks Department.
I'm Angela Tomzik. I am a field team leader and I am the business manager on the executive board for Rocky Mountain Rescue Group. Rocky Mountain Rescue Group is a
So they are rescue group. They should be trained very carefully to know what to do in any situation or in anything that could happen to the people who are on hiking. So here they will talk about the things that they are.
235 rescues. So we definitely stay busy, and a lot of it is just due to the wonderful recreating that's just right out the door for most Boulderites.
Well, I've been a park ranger for the passion, their
So
professionalism,
trained
their
very well by climbing the mountains here and know how to save anyone who is in danger. So now let's go back to our book and see what this mountain rescue team is made of. So, a mountain rescue team is made up of experts who know what to do because they have hours of training. They have a long time and a long hours of training. They are training them how to do or how to act when there's something wrong with people who are on hiking. Members of a particular mountain rescue team in Colorado have to have many hours of training each year. Rescue teams are ready every day to help and will search for hikers in trouble day or night. So they are sitting ready for any problem or anything that could happen with the hikers. A team usually uses a helicopter for rescues. The helicopter flies over the mountains trying to locate the hikers. So that helicopter is flying on the mountain, for example, and trying to see where is the location, where is the place of these people. So trying to locate the hikers if the rescuers are searching at night, they wear goggles that allow them to see in the dark. So what is the meaning of goggles here? Goggles mean glasses these people are wearing to let them see in dark. So imagine now there's no light. It's so dark. So what can we do? We don't have light. So we can wear these goggles, which are glasses. For example, Yaman, you are wearing glasses, but these glasses are special to help you to see at night or at dark. So that allow them to see in the dark. The team may have to airlift a hiker. What is the meaning of airlift? To take him uh, in the air, because it's the only way to get him or her out of the mountains, because it's so far away. So the most important thing is to take the people who are in trouble very fast. So what is faster than a helicopter? Nothing. So they will use a helicopter. For example, the hiker may be trapped on a ridge. What is the meaning of trapped? Stuck. What is the meaning of ridge? A place in the mountain or a hill. During an airlift, the helicopter drops the rescuers on the ridge and then lowers a cable with a basket attached. So now they are here. So they will use with them a basket with a rope. That basket or that wood, they will put the people who are injured on it. The rescuers get the hiker into the basket. They will put him in the basket, and the helicopter pulls the basket back up. So the helicopters will take that person. Rescued hikers are taken to a nearby hospital. So he is injured or he is hurt, he is very sick. What they will take him, or where they will take him, they will take him for the nearest hospital, because brave rescue workers find lost or hurt persons as quickly as possible. They save many lives. So they are so brave, because if there is anyone in danger or in anyone who is hurt or injured, or who is sick, maybe he fell down or something wrong happened to him, these great rescuers, they are coming to save him and help him. Now, did all of you understand the story? My lovely students, if you didn't understand the story, so now let's go here. Let's go, and you can pause the video, or you can reopen it again to listen to the story again and again carefully up till you understand it. Then you will come here and solve the questions with me. So the first question here: what could happen if a hiker doesn't follow a trail? Think. Can all of you give yourself a minute to think? What could happen if a hiker doesn't follow a trail? What will happen? What is the meaning of trail? We said the trail is the road. So what will happen for that hiker? So we will write the answer. Who can tell me the answer? Yes, excellent. Teacher, if he doesn't follow the road, he will get lost. So we will write the hiker. You can write now after me. The hiker could get lost. Excellent. Now let's go and answer the second question. Now can you think with me, what effect couldn't wearing the right clothing have on hikers? What will happen for the people or the hikers who are not wearing suitable clothes? What will happen for them? Who can answer? Excellent, excellent. So we will write here hikers. Now are all of you following me and writing? Excellent, excellent. Hikers could get sick. Yes, because they are not wearing the right or suitable clothes. They could get sick in cold and wet weather. My lovely students, you can pause the video and write slowly after me. I'm writing very fast because the video should be short and I don't have time. So thank you for following me, my dears. Now let's go and see question number 3. What is the reason rescue workers know what to do? Why all of the time these people who are rescuing the other know what to do? Who can tell me? So let's write the answer. Excellent, excellent. We will write rescue workers know what to do because they are trained, right? Yes, excellent. Because they are trained. Excellent, excellent. So let's go down now. Let's go down and see the question of number 4. Now, why might a rescue team need to airlift a hurt hiker? What is the meaning of airlift? We said airlift is to take that person who is in need on a basket by the help of a helicopter. So why they need to do that? Yeah, we will say the answer here, it may be the only way to get the hurt hiker out of the mountain. So why might a rescue team need to airlift a hurt hiker? Why the rescue team, they need to bring a helicopter and take the hurt hiker? Because, or it may be the only way to get the hurt hiker out of the mountain. Imagine he was very dangerously injured or hurted. What we will do with him? We will not wait for walking to the hospital. No, we will take him directly and very fast by using a helicopter. Now, number 5. What effect do rescue workers have on lost or hurt hikers? So what these rescue teams are going to do with the people who are lost or hurt? So what they are going to do? What the effect that they are going to do or to make on these hurt people? So, Ammar, Najdat, can you tell me what the effect that rescue workers can have or do on the lost or the hurt hikers? Yes, excellent. So, let's say the answer here. Rescue workers. Who are the workers? The people who are working in rescuing the people. What they are doing? Excellent. They save what? The lives of many lost or hurt hikers. So, what's the effect that they are going to do? So the answer, it will be like that. Rescue workers, what they are doing? They save the lives of many lost or hurt hikers. And by answering the questions here, we finished our lesson for today, which was on the pages of 160 and 161. Thanks a lot, my lovely students, for watching this video, and I want from you, my dears, to repeat listening to this video again and again up till you understand everything and up till you are finishing writing the answers of the questions here with me. Thanks a lot, my dears, for watching this, and have a good day.